are you all doing? So what do you think about my beautiful makeup? Valentina, what are you saying? So guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you still waiting for? Comment, share, tell me what you think about my video. And if you are a subscriber, thank you. I love you so much. You know I love you. So please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because am I not beautiful, guys? I'm beautiful and I know it. I'm sexy and I know it. I'm good and I know it.
They ask am how it dey be. He tell me say, man, everywhere don't red and he get as it be. I tell her say no worry, as long as say we know the mortuary. See, we dey alive, we still dey breathe. Get something where I believe. See, God no go shame us. 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 The blessing go loud, you go worry the neighbors. God no go shame.
So let's get right into this video. So let's get right into the video. As you all may know, my name is Sharon. I am pretty and I'm Sharon. So today we are going to talk about ENDSARS. What do we do, Nigeria government? What do we do? Me, I don't understand it. I don't understand that country at all. Mama me. Because me, I don't understand it. I not go do makeup. Nothing. But she not go want say she want conjure. I beg my people. Now so now children they do one. So guys, okay. Tell me what you think about my new hair. I'm looking beautiful. Country where they say they get money, they don't fit take care of their country. Have you seen that kind of thing before? Hey my people, have you seen it before? So right now, is they been it before? Now because of ENDSARS on our courtesy. Well, all I have to say, guys, is that thank you for watching. You guys that was asking me, is this true? What is going on right now in Nigeria? So I was posting it for you guys so that you guys will see it. So please, Nigeria government, I use God or anything when I deserve. Even I never go church. When I say and so now they go church, I don't see for one side. I beg, make una beg, make una ENDSARS. Then the people also they my face say they not go comment until where they end Nigeria SARS and bad government. I beg mona end down so that make the people Buhari makba. Why not they do like this now? Oh my country. So guys, I'm going to be using my camera as my makeup because I'm using my front of him and I don't want to use mirror today. So guys, I want to do it without mirror. But first of all, I will draw my brow and I will be back. Eyebrow check. Check. So right now guys, let's move on to what's it called. So I'm going to be using this my old palette that I bought. I've not used it before. Valentina, I'll be playing with it. So right now I'm going to try and see if I can use it today. I'm going to be playing with some. You know that ever since this ENDSARS protest have started, everybody have been saying ENDSARS, they will go to this place and they will do this, they will go to the other side and they will do another thing. But when it gets to my Benin, Edo, I said Edo, Edo, that's all, Edo. I saw Edo, Odo. So guys, let's start our blending. Oh, you know, for this step is to blend. So guys, we have used this one. So right now I'm going to move on to this darker one. I think it's dark, I don't know, but the color they are the same. So I'm going to apply it to this place, this part of my eye, so that the place will go darker. You see what I'm doing? This is what I'm doing. This makeup will be trying to make it look beautiful for you guys. So I'm going to be using this my color, just two color. I'm going to be using this and this. That's what I need for my eyeshadow. And this one is I'll be using this. And I'll be applying it in the front. Going to move on to our blush. Where we'll be blushing and blushing. Anything that one get to you, you blush. You have to make it pop. You have to make it pop. Like pop it. Pop. So, but as you are popping, you have to blend. You are blending it and taking it like this. So that nothing will show up that I did it all, but it will just depend. It just depends. You have to do this day depend. You don't know the secret. So right now we are going to move on to our. First of all, I need to spray. No, first of all, I need to blend this place very well, like very well. So I'm going to be going back to this shade in this color that I really need. So guys, we are done. All we need to do is take your can you see that? Can you see that?
God no go shame us.
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 God no go shame us. The blessing go loud. You go worry the
You
neighbors.
go worry the neighbors.
God no go shame us.
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 God no go shame us. The blessing go loud. You go worry the
You
neighbors.
go worry the neighbors.
God no go shame.
So guys, this is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching. What do you think about my new hairstyle and my new fun makeup look? No. So guys, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, what are you still waiting for? Am I not beautiful? I know I'm sexy and I'm beautiful. Remember to subscribe, give it a like, comment, share, tell me what you think about my video, because I know that I am beautiful. And I'm beautiful like diamond in the sky.